Hi, my name is Garrett Haufschild, and I built Button Chaser. I am a senior at Barrington High School, and I am currently enrolled in mobile app development, which is taught by the fantastic Mr. Bredemeyer. My app, Button Chaser, is designed to be used when someone is bored and they want to pass the time with a fun, challenging, and simple app. The app first opens onto the game screen where you're given multiple details about the game. You start the game by pressing the button in the playing field. It will then start the timer and it will produce two other buttons. The goal is to press as many buttons as possible in the given time period. Every 4 seconds, a yellow button appears, which is worth triple the points, but you have to be fast or else it will disappear before you can click it. The multiplier increases with each consecutive hit, but will be reset back to 1 if you click the background. When the timer reaches 0, the buttons disappear and you are given your score and how much money you currently have. Your final score will be converted into currency which you can spend on customizations. Now you should focus on the two buttons on this screen. The first, Play Again, which resets the game, and the other, Settings, which takes you to the settings page. By hitting Settings, you'll be brought to a page which holds the high scores for each individual difficulty level. You may change the difficulty level by pressing the button with the current difficulty level displayed. The yellow button at the bottom is a developer button, which will give you a random amount of money. I left it in so that you may test the customizations without having to play the game for very long. Button style is the current customization settings of the game. The default is black and white. If you press the button with the current customization colors, you'll be brought to a page where you can purchase different color buttons and backgrounds with in-game currency set up in a collection view. By tapping the desired color, you can change the layout of the entire game. If you do not currently own the color that you want, you can purchase it by clicking on the cell where you'll be prompted, and depending on how much money you have, will allow you to purchase the color. Once you are satisfied, you may click Return. Once at the settings page, you can click Return to be placed back onto the game view controller. Some features that I was able to implement include custom segues, which fades out the current screen and fades in the new one, iAdd, if I ever wish to include my app onto the App Store, and NS coding, so every time that you close your app, your scores will be saved. You can discover other features by looking more in depth at my code, such as the reset buttons, the rainbow color choice, and the game pausing when an ad opens up. I am Garrett Haufschild, creator of Button Chaser, and I would like to thank you for your time.